how to use Robinhood app. Now if you're trying to get familiar with the Robinhood investing, trading and stock application, then it's actually quite simple, and there are a couple of key elements that you have to understand. After that it will be very easy. First, I'm assuming you've already went ahead, created your account and signed up and also verified your identity. By the way, you must at least be 18 years old, have a valid social security number and a US address. Now what you can do is, first of all, you can choose to add money to your account by opening a brokerage account, setting up direct deposits or transferring funds from your bank account. You can do that in various ways. If you come to your options over here, and you should be able to see any type of options that you have to deposit funds to your Robinhood account. After that, you can simply buy stocks. So you can come to this chart icon from the bottom left, select a certain stock of a company that you'd like to buy. You'll find the trade option and you'll be able to buy that particular stock for even as little as $1. Then after that, you should be able to learn the tools and educational resources, including Investing Basics blog, their online library of content and other options. By the way, Robinhood is considered a good fit for beginner investors because of its easy to navigate trading platform and low cost. You can also use a stock market simulator to create a practice portfolio, and this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically use the Robinhood app as a beginner. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in our next video.